Hello, come on in to our showroom. Right, this is our office / showroom. As a business, we've expanded from a desk to a small space with a desk to a bigger space, another room, and then finally we've found ourselves in what I would call our showroom. As you can see, Matt's working away here. These are our main desks. This is where all of the where everything happens. But if we come around here, you'll quickly see that it's not just an office. Actually, it's our showroom. The main purpose was that customers could come in and see hardware that's on display. The bulk of the hardware that we sell and we do day to day is on the wall behind me. The second reason was that we could have videos like what we're doing now, and we can talk about hardware and actually show it being used. And then the third reason was so that we could do tech videos. And if for those of you who follow us on YouTube will see that we've already started doing our tech time videos. So me sat here showing people the basics and how-tos of a lot of the hardware that we install. The showroom, we're based in Columpton. We're just off the M5, junction 28. So for anybody that's thinking of using one of our systems or having a West Country Tech security internet Wi-Fi system installed, this is a great place to come in and actually see the hardware working. And as you can see behind me, this is a CCTV recorder, and we've got the screen here showing all of the cameras we've got installed. We've got 2 cameras outside, a number plate recognition camera. These are all the different types of cameras. So just to quickly run through it, these are called turrets. This is a mini dome, and these are bullet cameras, and they vary in features. This is just a standard camera that will just record. This camera will see in full color at night. It's got a strobe and a siren on it. It's got notifications on it. This is the mini dome camera. We'll install these on a lot of indoor spaces, stables, pubs, restaurants, things like that. Then we've got the bullet. The main difference between that one and this one is the size. So this is obviously going to stand out more. It's got a larger night vision range on it. And as they go up, you've got more features. So that one's a smart notification camera. And then finally, the one at the top is the TOC, which again has got same features as this. We'll film in full color at night because it has a little light that turns on, but a much bigger camera. Moving across the wall, we've then got the recorder, which is where all the footage comes to. Big old screen here showing all the cameras. Wireless links, which we use on 99% of our jobs. That allows us to send footage, internet, whatever it is, between buildings, miles apart potentially. Gubbins box, for those who follow us on social media, they'll know the Gubbins box. That is an outdoor rated enclosure that goes in all of our sheds, can withstand rain, moisture, heat. That has, without boring everybody, a network switch inside, which everything connects to. And then we've got this is more of like the internet side of the wall. Faster internet, external high gain 4G antenna, EE router, a smart managed network switch, and then these are Wi-Fi access points. We're actually going to get this wall fully sign written. We haven't done it yet, but we might do a new video in the future with all the writing and everything on it. These access points are what we would install in holiday lets, holiday parks. They allow us to create multiple Wi-Fi names. As an example, staff, guest 2, fast network, slow network, and we can split the network into 2, ultimately producing a secure network away from guests. You've only got to have someone with slightly ill intent and they can get onto your network and cause havoc with it. So we can be, plus those access points allow us to, for remote access. Fridge. If we were doing a cribs episode, there's nothing exciting in here. Charlie's got his bagel in there. He's always got a bagel. But actually, most of the time, we do actually keep this stocked up with beer and fizzy drinks. Just for the guys when they come in, and on a Friday, if we're here at 4, obviously, just a small can if anyone's got to drive. We'll always have that stocked up. Some merchandise, some cups, and we've got some caps here and pens. There isn't much more to show. We've got on the wall here, this was one of the Exeter Chiefs players, Luke Cowan-Dickey. He's also an England player. We did his security in his property, and he gave us one of the shirts that they give out, but he actually signed it for us. What you'll notice here actually is that Matt has been given the shoddy chair. So Georgie and I have got good chairs, and Matt gets given this. That's what we think of Matt. We've then also got over here, for those who are really into their rugby and Exeter Chiefs, that's Henry Slade. We did all of his security, internet. He's also got a smart home, so he's got full smart home lighting control as well. He also signed his, well, in fact, that shirt there is a shirt that was actually worn in the World Cup 2019. So he signed that for us, which is pretty cool as well. Other than that, there's not much else to talk about really. It was more just to show everybody where we are, what we've got here, what the showroom does, and ultimately it is for people to come here, have a sit down at the desk, and see the hardware in action, and we can have a chat about what we can do for you as a company. Thanks for watching.